In this video, we will be demonstrating a case of laser cystolithotripsy in a 6-year-old male child who presented to us with acute urinary retention in emergency. Of course, at that time he was catheterized, and on evaluation, past history was suggestive of repeated attacks of left side flank pain. His routine blood investigations were normal, and his urine culture was sterile. On evaluation, an X-ray KUB and an ultrasound abdomen was done, which showed 2 stones in the bladder. Of course, his past X-rays, which were done 1 year back, those 2 stones which were there in the bladder actually were there in the kidney. And one interesting finding is that you can see the size of those stones on X-ray. These stones, the child was actually able to pass these stones through the ureter into the bladder for a period of 8 months to 1 year. And it is known that in children, the stone fragments or the smaller stones, they can easily pass through the ureter into the bladder. That is why the outcomes of shockwave lithotripsy were better in children compared to adults, owing to the softer stones in them, and at the same time the patulous ureters, which generally allow these stone fragments to pass easily into the bladder. So here in the video you can see 2 bladder stones. The most important thing which is surprising, actually I can say, is that these larger stones actually were being passed through the ureteric orifice. You see the left ureteric orifice, which is looking patulous here, and through this orifice only these 2 stones which are lying in the kidney have actually reached the bladder. Of course, now we have planned laser cystolithotripsy in this case. So using holmium AG laser, these stones were ablated. The settings which I have used were for dusting with 0.5 joule and 15 Hz. So you can easily see the stone, how fast we are able to break the stone without making into bigger fragments. And the stone was actually hard at the outer shell, whereas the inner core and the nidus of the stone was actually softer when compared to the outer shell. So it hardly took around 14 minutes of ablation time for ablating both the stones. This is the second stone which we have started ablating, and you can see the outer shell along with the softer inner core. So a 13 French cystoscope was used for doing this case. For better irrigation, suprapubic a small 14 gauge needle was placed so that irrigation continues with the help of a cystoscope. So at the end of the procedure, you can see the fine dust which is there in the bladder, and subsequently the patient was put on a catheter which was removed a day afterwards. So you can see the ureteric orifice there again. Thank you.